Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact transaction details so you know what to recover. Open Gpay, tap the transaction, and record the amount, time, and transaction ID. Take a screenshot for evidence. If the money shows as pending versus completed, that changes the path. Pending often cancels automatically. Once done, try the in-app Resolve or Help button. Make sure to choose Missing Money and attach your screenshot so support has everything they need to act quickly. Next, work the built-in recovery channels and parallel routes together. Use Gpay's help and feedback and follow the missing money flow exactly. Upload your screenshot and transaction ID so the automated team can start tracing. If you know the recipient, message politely asking for return and request they initiate a transfer back. Document their response. At the same time, call your bank to lodge an unauthorized payment or reversal request and get a complaint number. This helps escalate if Gpay needs bank-side cooperation. To finish, monitor responses and escalate deliberately if things stall. If support hasn't resolved it within 48 to 72 hours, reopen the ticket and request escalation with your earlier complaint ID so a specialist reviews it. If you suspect fraud, file a police report and attach your transaction proof and support correspondence. Provide those documents to both Gpay and your bank. Make sure to follow up weekly on bank chargeback or reversal status. And if necessary, request a supervisor to avoid getting stuck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.